welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, before I share with you what recipe we are going to make, I'm going to read out a comment over here. This comment is from Afshan K. So this is a request. Don Imran, may I request a recipe for Gosht Pulao, please? Thank you in advance. So you've thanked me in advance, and I'll also say you're welcome to that, because we have come out today and we are going to show you how to make Gosht Pulao, meat Pilau. So let's move on to the recipe now. This is one of our favorite dishes. And what's wonderful about this, the speciality about this, is that it's got an Arabian influence, but this is what my mum grew up having while she was in East Africa and Tanzania. And she says to us glowingly each time over the years that this pilau was absolutely mesmerizing, that when they used to have it, it would be one of those things that people would be absolutely raving about because of how wonderful it tastes, the aroma that comes from it. And usually they would find this during moments of celebration as well, but we've been very fortunate throughout our lives to be having this at least every month, at least once a month. You've got lamb in there, you've got wonderful rice in there. There's like a specific way of making this rice, and obviously if you get a bit of the kajumber, which is like a special salad that is made, that combination is just superb. So with that said, please hit that like button. We can't emphasize how important that is for us. And if you haven't subscribed, please also hit the red subscribe button. Once you press the subscribe button, you'll see the notification bell icon pop up just besides the subscribe button. So click on that so that you are informed of our daily releases. And with that said, catch you in the next one.